Hey, how y'all doing? How your mama doing? Hey, Aenies. Hey. So listen, obviously I'm in the midst of getting my face together. I'm doing a little color correcting underneath here. Do you remember that time I showed you how to finesse the V-part wig on your wig head, your canvas wig block head? If you want more security and you do want to do it on your head and you want it to feel snug on your head, I'm gonna show you how to do that today. It's very easy, y'all. Let me show you though. Let me show you this wig. Oh, honey, my allergies are just no. As you can see, this is from ISEE Hair. Oh, this box is so velvety. Baby, let me tell you something about this wig right here. They're not playing games with you. This wig is not playing games with you. This wig is not playing games with you, baby. They had a removable combs, right? This wig, the construction of it is going to give you M cap, the M caps that everybody loves. But you see this right here? You see this on the bike? You see that drawstring right there that I just showed y'all? Between that, these removable combs, and this elastic right here with the silicone strips, baby, this wig, you can shout, let it all out with this right here. And the way we about to construct it, the way we about to feed it through with the crochet hook, your only issue is going to be how you want to style it, huh? You want it to be a middle part or you want it to be off to the side with pride, huh? You want to pop these curls or you want to wear them naturally like this? Y'all, I don't suggest wearing curly hair right out the box because unless it's a wig that's like that. But pop these curls. That's gonna give you the, when you see all the pictures of the curly V parts and wigs and stuff, and you're like, oh yes, I want to get that. Honey, they popping the curls. It's not coming off the box like that. These curls are very uniform. They're beautiful. They're nice, soft, fluffy. They're not hard and crunchy and thin. They good, thick, ignorant, juicy curls. You see that, right? But they are very uniform, y'all. You got to get them to be cousins. Right now, they twins. We want them to be first cousins. We got to disrupt the pattern a little bit, okay? A couple little steps and you there. All right, this is going to be so secure. I can tell you that now. And you know what I really like about this? A lot of this stuff is removable. If you don't want the elastic band right there, take it off. If you don't want these combs, take it off. But honey, you cannot take off this drawstring. And do you know why? Because that's a vital part of this dome cap.
It's vital.
These are the clips that are going to secure it to the front and top of your face. The curls are so nice. I'm gonna use my curl brush on this and my Pattern Beauty mousse. You already know that's the 1-2 punch. That's the 1-2 punch. Now that's for my good wigs. Yeah, let me just show you how to do this, y'all. It's very easy. Yeah. Watch what I do. Hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. Don't forget what I said. Hold a minute.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now?